I'm James Bazagian, Mayor of the City of Calabasas. We're here at Gates Canyon Park today for the Arbor Day celebration, where we plant trees every year. We plant trees at different parts of the city, different parks and facilities and schools and open space areas. And Arbor Day is one of the big celebrations the city has in order to celebrate our commitment to protecting the environment and keeping Calabasas looking beautiful.
My name is Ben Oroslan. I'm the Student Environmental Commissioner for the City of Calabasas. I'm here with some of my fellow commissioners. We are planting trees with a lot of the children here. Calabasas is a tree city, and we hope to see a lot more of the youth engage in environmentally conscious activities like this one.
What I'm excited about is today we are planting strawberry trees. It's drought tolerant and it's going to provide a lot of shade.
Arbor Day is special, and it really recognizes the love we have for this community and the surrounding areas.
I'm standing here in the middle of a tree grove, which includes mostly trees that we planted, some of them over 20 years ago. And as you can see, as you look around, the trees here have grown up and are beautiful and are covering the slope very nicely. And they're all here as a result of students and families that have come out for Arbor Day celebrations previously and planted them.
Thank you all for coming to the City of Calabasas Arbor Day celebration. We look forward to seeing you next year.